What's the meaning of carpaccio? Carpaccio. Carpaccio.
Carpaccio. Carpaccio. Carpaccio is a dish made with raw meat, typically beef, that has been sliced very thinly and served cold. The meat is typically arranged on a plate and drizzled with olive oil, lemon juice, and sometimes capers or Parmesan cheese. The dish is named after the Italian painter Vittore Carpaccio, whose paintings were known for their vibrant red color, which is similar to the color of the thinly sliced raw beef used in the dish. Overall, carpaccio is a flavorful and visually striking dish that is often served as an appetizer in high-end restaurants.